Hey there, it's Brittany, and it is day 70 of my 100-day bracelet challenge. I cannot believe we're already at day 70. I will be super honest, a lot of these bracelets were all of these bracelets were so fast because I just don't have time right now with how overloaded I am with work and getting ready to move. So I close in 11 days. I think that's right. Something around there. Anyway, so the stress is real, but I wanted to run through with you the last 10 days worth of bracelets. I'm running out of light, so hopefully I can get through this before it's completely dark here. So this set plays off of my most recent earring blitz, and it has, I used the crystal soup. My crystal soup that I had, the blue crystal soup, and I just made two really quick bracelets, one using a shell bead and those new wood painted beads I got from Hobby Lobby. So this was in one of the pairs of earrings, this teardrop, and I love that this one looked like a shell. So unfortunately, like I said, the light's going down, so it's not as pretty and sparkly as they would look in full sunlight, but yeah, they're really pretty and really sparkly in person. Day 62, just some of the wood beads that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then these are some glass rondelles that I got from Beads and Babble, and then this charm came from that set that I did on day 60, I think. So anyway, cute, just a really quick bracelet. Day 63 plays off of the asymmetrical necklace I made that day. If you want to see that video, I'll put a link to it in the comment or the description below. But I use the same cat's eye beads and the same bone beads that I used in that asymmetrical necklace. Everybody seemed to really like that necklace. Day 64. So one of the previous bracelets, I just copied it and made it a different color. So I don't know if you remember this bracelet. I don't remember what day it was. I made this magenta one. So I did it in gray and with a silver clasp instead of gold. The only thing I don't like about it is too long, and I just put one too many beads on it. So but the problem was if I took one of the beads off, it was going to be too short. So I just have to figure that out. I'm going to restring it because I don't want to have a bracelet that I'm not going to wear just because it's too long. But anyway, these are coated pearls, coated glass pearl coins that I got in Tucson. I think they're really cool. The next day, day 65, is this African bone, brass, and glass bead bracelet. So I strung it on leather and used just a plain toggle clasp. I didn't want to take away from the African beads, and it's multi-tone metal. So I have some silver on there and some brass and these black African glass recycled beads, or recycled glass beads that I got in Tucson. And then the rest of these beads came in bead soup from Bobby Doe as extras with one of my orders. And then I just put a cute little charm on the back. I really like this bracelet. Very fast. You guys saw day 66 featuring Heidi's beautiful sunflower beads. I heard you guys went nuts for those. That's awesome. This one's not my favorite. I just kind of put it together because I needed someone to make a bracelet, and these beads were all near me, so I just grabbed them. You guys saw me make this watermelon bracelet. Sorry, I've been going like super fast, but it's because literally I can see the sun setting. You guys saw me make this watermelon bracelet. And I used some more African glass beads. These came from Renee when she sent me that awesome package with these turquoise recycled African glass beads. More of these black recycled African glass beads. And then I got these from Pam in her Facebook group. I just thought this was really fun, and I love all the different textures and patterns. And then it looks like day 70 was just another one that was just super easy. I did this today. Literally just grabbed some beads that are around me. It's not my favorite bracelet ever, but I have some impression jasper, or no, I'm sorry, these are imperial jasper, and I think, oh no, they're both imperial jasper. They're both dyed, but they're just dyed different colors. So we have blue, like dark blue, and then we have like a turquoise color. I got those in my huge gemstone bead haul, and I'm sure these came from Bargain Bead Box. So looking back at the last 10 days, I definitely have some favorites. It's gonna be hard because I made some really cute bracelets now that I'm looking at them. So I definitely like the bead soup bracelets, but I don't know if they're my favorite. Let's see. I really, 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 really love this bracelet, like crazy love this bracelet. After I made it in that video, I wore it for the rest of the day, even though it didn't match anything I was wearing. Oh boy. Okay, so is it okay to have 5 days worth be my favorite? So I love this one. Love this one. And I just love how subtle and calming these bracelets are. So, and then I really love my watermelon bracelet. So today I have 5 favorites instead of 3 like normal, or like usual, I should say. But if I had to choose from these, it would probably be these 3. So I guess if I chose my 3 favorites, it would be these 3 days. Out of the 10 days, which ones were your favorites? Thank you so much for watching. As usual, I appreciate every single one of you. Guys, I've been trying so hard to get to everybody's comments. Sometimes I don't make it for a week, but I have a lot of fun replying to you guys. Sometimes I think going forward, if I can't reply to everybody's, if you get a heart next to it, that means I've seen your comment and I really appreciate it. But I will be trying to reply to everybody if I can. Thank you so much, as usual, for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you know anybody who might like my channel, please share. You can follow along my journey with the 100-Day Bracelet Challenge on my Instagram and Facebook groups. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. Goldie is coming up next. Bye-bye.